Okay, so here it is. This is the TP-Link Powerline Wi-Fi kit, 600 AV600, whatever. So it comes with two things. I'm just gonna get this out. I heard quite a few good things about this, so we'll give it a go. Let's see what's in the box here. Okay, so we got quick start guide. That's nice. Got a little app there. So we got this map here. So that's your router, okay? This is the first adapter, so you plug that in, and that just goes into your normal wall socket. And then you have another one, which is in here in the same box, I guess. And it's plugged into the power line as well. And so I guess the internet flows through there. Yeah. And then somehow you have to connect it to your Wi-Fi. Okay, let's take a look what's here. Oh, nice. So it actually comes with 2 Ethernet cables. That's awesome. I thought I was gonna have to buy or find a couple of those. Looks like this is the main one that goes into the router, I guess. And then you got this other one, which you plug in. Like, I'm gonna plug mine in my upstairs office, and then you plug from the cable into your laptop, and that should work. So I just connected up the first one. That was really easy. Literally all it was just plug it in the wall, and then the little white cable that came with it, you plug that into the machine, and you plug it into the back of the router. It only fits, oh, come over here. It only fits in one spot, so it's fine. So I'm just going in my other room now, in the office, and I gotta find a free plug for this bad boy. And then I take the other white cable and plug that into my laptop up here. So see how this works. Okay, so I've plugged that in. The lights all came on. So I'll just check out my networks here. Oh, okay, TP-Link 38 password. So I've got the password here from the top of the device. So it's showing up now as one of my networks. I just have to type the password in there. Wow. Oh, it's actually already connected. Look at that. So that literally just shows up as one of my networks on my computer there. So that's the TP-Link. That's it there. It just comes up straight away. That's crazy. That is quite good, actually. Wow. So I just typed it in. I literally plugged it in and then typed in the number. It comes up straight away. It's a really strong Wi-Fi signal. 40 pounds from Argos. You can get them online. That was the TP-Link Powerline extender. So I highly recommend that. I mean, if you've tried it and it worked for you, you can put that in the comments below. Otherwise, yeah, any questions, you can ask that as well. Peace.